All you need to know about Philippines zip codes.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore an interesting topic related to the Philippines, its zip codes. Zip codes are a fundamental part of any address, and they're crucial for smooth delivery of mail and packages. Whether you're a resident of the Philippines, planning to send a letter or package, or just curious about Philippine geography, knowing about zip codes can come in handy.
What is a zip code?
A zip code, or Zone Improvement Plan code, is a postal code used by the Philippines Postal Service, known as PhilPost. These codes help to accurately direct mail and packages to their correct destinations. In the Philippines, zip codes are 4-digit numbers.
Why is a zip code important?
Zip codes play a vital role in postal delivery system. They not only pinpoint the delivery location but also help in streamlining the mail sorting process. Using the correct zip code ensures your mail or package gets to the intended recipient in a timely manner.
Where can I find a complete list of Philippines zip codes?
While we can't provide a direct link in this video, a comprehensive list of Philippines zip codes can be easily found online. The PhilPost official website is the best place to look, as it's directly managed by the Philippine Postal Authority. Simply search for PhilPost zip codes on any search engine to find the official page. Aside from the official website, there are also several online platforms that provide this information. These include online mapping services, local business directories, or even data aggregators. Remember to verify the zip code from multiple sources if you're not using the official PhilPost website to ensure accuracy.
How to use a zip code?
When you have found the zip code for the location in the Philippines you are interested in, you simply add it at the end of the postal address. Make sure to separate the zip code from the rest of the address with a space or a comma to ensure legibility and accuracy. There you have it. We hope this information has been useful to you in understanding more about Philippines zip codes. Remember, using the correct zip code is an essential part of making sure your mail or package reaches its destination without any issues. Stay tuned for more informative videos like this. Happy mailing!